We're going to get into how to change a serpentine belt on a Dodge Caliber Jeep Compass or Patriot from 2007 to 17 with a 2.04 cylinder. You got the car man sending you and yours nothing but love and peace coming straight up out of the RVA, and I can't wait to bring this brand new DIY straight to you. So sit back and relax, we got it from here. It's time to roll, baby. Woo! All right, go ahead and disconnect your negative battery cable. All right, guys, we're supposed to have a dust cover right here. Clearly not there. It looks like someone must have broken it off, but it's just two plastic clips. Remove them and let's move on. What we're looking at here is a serpentine belt tool. It's the black tool that's sitting in front of you, and you watch, it's going to go on up here and it's going to connect. It's sitting on top of the actual tensioner. This is the way I would recommend doing it. A lot of people just put a wrench up there. Sure, you can do that, no problem. This just makes it super convenient. The aftermarket ones have a 15 millimeter bolt head and the OEMs have a 16. I don't know why they do it like that, but for whatever reason. Anyway, this has an aftermarket on it, and really all you're doing is just pulling it to you. This is coming towards the front of the car. You can see it right there. I'm not going to smash my camera out of the way. And if you take a look right here, that's all you got to really do it, because on this particular car, you can see that that's actually already torn up. I've never seen that on a harmonic balancer, period. So I'm not sure what caused that, but that's all there is to getting the serpentine belt off. I'm sure that's going to be a problem here in a second. We'll see if we can figure that out.